paid while you wait? Forget hiding bullion in a safe. There's a better way. I am sharing Canadian TSX stocks tied to gold and silver that actually pay dividends. And one of these could outperform gold itself this year. Stick around, I'm ranking them from least exciting to most exciting. At number 5, we have Kinross. Its share price is around 49 CAD and dividend yield is 0.4. Kinross pays dividends quarterly while you're holding gold, and since its share price is still low, it's a great buy. Coming at number 4 is Wheaton Precious Metals, WPM. Current price is roughly 210 to 215 CAD. Dividend yield of 0.7% and is paid quarterly. Now, what does WPM do? Wheaton isn't a miner, it's a streaming company. It finances mine-ins and gets the metal at fixed, low costs, which can protect you when mining costs rise. The dividend isn't huge, but it's reliable, and you still benefit from gold and silver prices. Middle of the list at number 3 is Barrick Gold, ABX. The current share price is between 66 and 72 CAD. Dividend about 1% yield with quarter payouts. Barrick is a giant, one of the biggest gold producers in the world. The dividend isn't huge, but the business generates serious cash that you should not miss. And when gold prices spike, Barrick tends to outperform physical metal because of leverage and production profits. That's why serious investors like it. Whatever you do, be sure to watch the remaining parts of this video because that's where the real tea is. Also, please subscribe, share, and like so we reach more people. Thank you. Now let's head to number 2. Runner-up at number 2, Pan American Silver. Current price $60.69. Dividend, paid quarterly, one of the biggest producers of the purest silver on the planet. Just raised dividends. If silver surges this year, this stock can move faster than gold-centric names because silver moves more in short cycles. Agnico doesn't just produce gold, it pays you reliably while doing it. This is why you should buy stocks instead of just owning gold. This dividend is quarterly and has been consistently paid for decades, making it a reliable stock. Agnico has multiple mines across multiple continents, strong cash flow, and a long dividend track record. Historically, when gold rallies, Agnico stock jumps more than the metal itself. That's why this one tops the list. Quick comparison, K at $46 with a 0.4% yield versus WPM at $195 with a 0.71% yield. ABX is at approximately $65, up about 1%, and over $300, maintaining a consistent payout. And here's the twist. Sometimes the one with the lowest dividend yields can outperform the rest. Simply because the company grows faster. Investors need both income and real growth potential. So what's the play? If you want stability and income, consider Agnico Eagle. For leverage metal exposure, look at Pan American Silver. If you want low-risk streaming, Wheaton Ready WPM. If you want a value play, Kinross K. If you want big production muscle, Barrick ABX. And remember, owning metal via stocks gets you. Market liquidity provides flexibility, while dividends offer steady income. But for higher returns, consider the potential for capital gains. Owning metal via stocks gets you market liquidity, dividends, and potential for capital gains versus owning bars that just sit there. Which would you choose? Start stacking gold stocks today. You might ask, why should I buy stocks instead of gold or silver? For decades, investors have relied on physical gold and silver as a safe haven. But physical metal doesn't pay you. No dividends, no yields, just storage. However, Canadian precious metal stocks on the TSX let you own companies that operate the mines, stream the metal, or finance production. And pay shareholders for it. We've looked at 5 key players with price and dividend. And remember, these aren't gold bars in a basement. These are liquid, tradable investments that pay you while you wait for precious metal prices to move. If you want a watch list with automated price alerts or a breakdown of metal price catalyst for 2026, comment below and hit like. Subscribe for more Canadian stock information and comment which one you think will outperform in 2026. Next video, I'm sharing stocks you must have in your portfolio. Subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to invest.